Hey guys, I'm here with this week's 60-second tip of the week, and this one you may want to take the kiddies out of the room for. So let's talk about sex and domestic violence. So there was a recent case that came down that pretty much said that if you are engaging in a consensually rough sexual relationship, you can't necessarily come back later and scream domestic violence. So the tip for this week is that it is really important if you want to have that type of relationship that's maybe a little bit outside of the box, right? If you want to have that type of relationship, it's really important for you to set those hard boundaries. This is like the 50 Shades of Grey stuff, right? So it might be a good idea for you to have a written agreement in place as to what is acceptable violence and what is not acceptable violence. Because if you don't, the court can come back later and say that something that you thought was unacceptable as far as violence in that type of relationship really was okay because you chose to engage in that sort of lifestyle. So the tip is make sure that you're setting those hard limits, be very clear about what is acceptable and not acceptable so that a court doesn't come back later and make that determination for you. That's my tip for this week. Have a great week.